buying a new phone, don't get scammed. This is how to instantly check your phone's carrier network status. There's 2 steps. The first one, we have to find a special number called the IMEI number, and we have to use a website as the second step to look up information about that IMEI number. So first, let's find that number. Inside the settings on your phone, scroll down till you see General, tap on that, then tap on About. Scroll all the way down until you see IMEI. Tap and hold on that, and copy it. Now head out to Safari or whatever browser you're using these days. Tap on the search bar, type in IMEI check. Mine's pre-filled there. I visit this website often because I use this quite a bit for making videos and things like that. And it works for buying used phones as well. So tap on that one. There are other ones I found they tell you it's free, but then they don't give you any information for free. They give you like a little bit, and then to get the real information, you got to pay for it. This one gives you a lot more data for free, but there are lots of ads. This giant thing down here is an ad. Let's close that. This search bar up here is an ad. We're not looking for a VIN number, so just ignore that. Scroll down until you see IMEI check and a field right here to enter a 15-digit number and a button called check IMEI. So let's tap into this field and then tap on it again to get the paste. And I'll copy it over only 13 of the 15 digits. This search bar only allows 15 characters, but it adds the 2 spaces that we copied from the settings. So we have to remove the spaces, and then we have to get the last 2 digits. So let's remove that one right there. Let's try that again. It can be a pain doing this because I'm looking at the phone through a camera, not looking directly at the phone. Okay, there we go. Got that one. Okay, and this ad popped up. That's the cost of free. And it didn't take out my space. Okay, there we go. And then this one up at the front. Then tap back to the very end, and we have to get the last 2 digits for our IMEI number. Go back to our settings. In my case, they are 67. Yours could be different, or maybe they could be the same. I don't know. So let's add the 6 and the 7 at the end, then tap on check IMEI. Now it's going to check lots of things, give us lots of information, hopefully, about our phone. Doesn't always give you lots of information, but usually it does, I found. And it's going to tell us whether we're carrier locked, because you don't want to buy a phone and get scammed and buy a phone that's carrier locked to some place that you don't want to have as your cell phone provider. This will help you avoid stuff like that. Here are the results, and aside from a whole bunch of other interesting info, you can see there's no carrier lock on this phone. So if I were to buy this used phone, I can take it to any carrier that I want, which is one of the reasons this type of search exists. If you want to quickly make sure your phone is scam-proof, click the link in the pinned comment down below. The next up, check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash on your phone. There's a whole bunch of trash cans that you probably don't even know about. So check out that video, empty them all, and reclaim space on your phone. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.